Why?
subject in a school because we need a humanity. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you doing?
I am fine, madam. And how about you?
I'm doing good too. Thank you for asking. So, how is your day going?
Uh, Now my day is going very good because it is a
Okay.
morning, and after that I will spend my time with my son. There is a newborn baby in my house.
Okay. How old?
I think it is 20 days only now.
Oh, okay, okay. All right, all right. That's great. So, you were playing with your baby.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. When did you wake up today?
I woke up 8 o'clock
8 o'clock. And yeah, can you talk about your day? Like, what all have you been doing since?
today.
Yeah.
Okay, so means what I will do today?
What all did you do since the time you woke up?
Sorry. What?
What all did you do since the time you woke up? Like after waking up, what all did you
Oh,
do?
oh, okay. I woke up early, 8 o'clock, and after that I do
Early in the morning at 8 o'clock?
at 8 o'clock, and after that I did my bath and regular things,
Hmm.
and after
I
that
completed
I
my morning routine.
routines, and after that I get my tea and breakfast, and
I took my, or I had my tea and breakfast. Yeah.
okay, I took my breakfast, and I know that there is a session at 10:20, so I prepared for that, and now I'm speaking with you.
Okay. All right. That's great. So what do you do?
I am a teacher in a private school.
Okay.
Private.
Which classes do you
Okay.
teach?
Yeah.
Which classes
I
do
teach.
you teach?
I teach from fourth standard to eighth standard computer.
Computer.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. That's great. And where are you based?
Yeah.
Where are you based?
Jalgaon, Maharashtra. I think it is a second session with you. First session it was, I think, last Rakhi Purnima.
Okay, could be. I don't remember. Anyways, that's great. So, yes, did you get a chance to go through the session notes?
Yeah, I at a glance, I think social work.
Yes, the topic for today is social work. So, should we begin?
Yes,
All right, what is social work? Can you define social work?
social work. Whatever you see surrounding you, if you think there is people they need a help, something in a means few beggars or few people they need food or
Hmm.
help. So if I have a time and I have money, and if I doing all these jobs, so it means it is a social work to providing help to others
Right.
in
So,
in the form of money and in the form of hard work.
yeah. So, it is basically contributing to the society, to
Yeah,
the
yeah,
needy people of the society, or doing something for the society, right? And the motive is not money. That is when it's social work, right?
yeah. Ma'am, please increase your voice because I am very. It is very deep to listen to me, please. If
Okay.
you don't have a headphone in your side, headphone.
No, no, in the earphones, my volume goes low. That is why I'll speak loudly. Okay.
Okay.
So do you know the meaning of the idiom give back?
What?
The meaning of the idiom give back.
No.
Can you guess?
Did you type?
Yes.
Give back.
Give back.
Give back.
What could be the
Okay.
meaning?
Meaning something we that I took from my friend and I give back return to him. So I think it is.
Yeah, that is the literal sense. Okay. So, give back is to provide help or assistance in appreciation of one's own success. Okay, so basically, if I say that I am able to speak in English fluently because of
Mm-hmm.
my school, because of the schooling that I got. Okay, for example. So now I am successful and I'm a successful spoken English tutor here. So now I would
Yeah.
like to give back to my school or to the society in the form of as a teacher or maybe conducting a session or something. So in that sense, when I give back to them to basically show that gratitude that I have towards them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get
So basically, uh, like the example could be when I earn enough money, I must give back to the society. So why will you give
yeah.
back to the society? Because the society is what made you what you are today, right? Like you went to
Yes.
the school and then you had your neighbors and your community around you, which helped
Yes.
you, develop your personality. So your society has played a very important role in what you are today. So that is why
Yeah.
later it is your duty to give back to the society, right?
Yes. Yes.
So giving back in that sense is what it means. Okay. All right. Now, what is the meaning of give away?
Give away.
Yes.
Give away. Give away. In the form of same. Give back like that.
That is give back. Giveaway is give something freely as a donation or a gift. Okay.
It's called as a give. Yeah.
Giveaway. So you must have seen these giveaway prizes from various stores. Like if you participate in a lucky draw, there are exciting giveaways and stuff, right? So
Uh,
exciting prizes that you can win. So that is being given for free, right? So basically they
okay.
are giving away. Okay. So this Diwali, I would like to give away some of my clothes to the poor. Okay. So when you say give away, it's not
Yeah.
like I'll be charging money or something. You're just giving away with an open heart. So basically you're giving it for free. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So that was giveaway. Now social work. Do you engage in any form of social work?
No, ma'am. I'm not engaged with any form of social work. I do prepare my only personally.
I don't
I'm not
engage
engaged
in
with.
any
Yeah, I don't engage with any form and any
in any form of social work.
any form of. Yeah.
Why?
I don't know, but I one incident had with me. One day, one beggar came up to me and he asked me money, and I gave money to her. But after that, few people they were surrounding there. They told me that why you give the money to her. So I told them because she's a beggar and she has a small children. So that's why I give the money. But they told me that she will not purchase anything for her children. She will drink liquor,
Hmm.
and it was a true, and she did all those things.
It is true
So
that they can misuse the money that you give.
yeah, yes,
So that is
and
why you don't do any social work.
yeah, I do, but I provide in the form of food, in the form of things. If
Right.
if someone asks me, give me money, I directly ask them, what you want, food
Hmm.
or the fruits. If you want food, I will give you in a form of foods. I will not give you money directly.
Hmm.
I directly give them food or fruits.
So you have given food like that in the past?
Yeah.
Mhm. All right, all right. So, okay. Do you like to contribute monetarily only or engage in other forms of donation as well? So, yeah, it's the same question that you answered that you don't give money directly. But so, can you maybe tell me an incident? Like you told me this incident about giving money and then they told you that she'll buy liquor. So any other incident where you did not provide them monetarily but otherwise?
Yeah, it was, she was a small child and she wants to drink in a glass.
Hmm.
What we say, kaach. It is called as a glass. No?
Yeah.
Yeah, but instead of glass, the shopkeeper gave her plastic cup. So she declined that I do not want plastic. I want glass only. And so I told them, please give provide her glass. And but I only purchased for her, and I forget to purchase her mother. So it was very bad for me. After
I
that,
felt really bad later.
I
Yeah.
felt very bad after that
Hmm.
because
Okay.
they were eating food
Okay.
that time.
All right. I forgot to buy for her mother. You cannot forget. Forgot. Okay. All right. Name some NGOs that you think are doing a great job. So, are you aware of any NGOs in your area or otherwise that you've heard which are helping to uplift the poor and needy people of the society?
Yeah, there are lots of NGOs. They provide food in the lockdown also, and now they also Diwali vacation, any vacation, they provide food to beggars and poor people. And but I unfortunately I'm not remember their names. But there are
I
lots of
don't.
I
I
don't remember
can't.
their
I don't remember them. Or you
remember
can
their
say I
names.
can't recall their names.
Okay, thank you. I can't recall their names. Okay.
So there is one Smile Foundation. So it
Yeah,
works towards uplifting,
yeah,
like the
smile.
young kids,
Yeah,
to see
there is a
smiles on their
almost
faces by providing them with education and food and everything.
yeah.
So that is one
Actually,
foundation that I've heard of.
do you know the Nam Foundation?
I think I've heard. What does it do exactly?
They do you know the Nana Patekar and Makarana Sure?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they also do the same work. The first letter of Nana Na and Makarana Sure so Nam. It is a foundation of their and they provide help to farmers and their poor people if someone needs help.
Hmm.
So they provide the hospital expense like that.
Okay. All right. So there is also one called Shades of Happiness that I have worked
Mm-hmm.
with personally in Delhi, and even they help children to get one time meal and then provide them with certain activities and help them with their studies and all that. So yeah, that's also a good NGO. Do you think social work should be a subject in schools and colleges for children?
Yes, I think it should be
Why?
subject in a schools because we need a humanity. Lots of people pretend they have a humanity, but finally they don't show, they ignore directly. And now children come to school, they learn all the subjects, but they need to learn humanity also, how to provide help, how to do the social work, and how to, because they eat food and they throw the wastage food in a dustbin directly. So we
Hmm.
need to say them, don't waste your food. If we have more than food, so distribute it among those people who need those food. So I think it should be subjects in
Hmm.
our school.
All right, all right. So, yes, with that, we're at the end of the session. Time is up. So, yes, it was a good session and I enjoyed taking it. And in terms of your spoken English, you can speak quite well. There are no major issues as such with your English, but yes, you do need to work on a little bit of grammar and sentence formation. So, where to use not, where to use don't or haven't or couldn't. So, you get mixed up with those. So, that is something that you need to focus on. Otherwise, I think mostly you're good to go. So for all these, what you need to do is you need to practice, which you're doing with us. You're on the right track. Just continue practicing. With time, you will get better. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Also, I noticed two, three places where you said people's, children's. Okay, so people, children, they're all plural already, right? People
Yeah,
is the plural of person, children is the plural for child. So you won't add the s. Okay, it is just
yes,
many people, lots of children, not children's. Okay, so
yeah.
yeah, that's something I noted. All right then, thank you so much. Have a good day.
Have a good day, ma'am. Thank you.